than Loch Ness Monster.
Oh my
how
goodness.
creative. Wow. Whoa.
Yes, over there and over there.
It's so cold. I'm in here, the fiend. Finally here.
Oh my god. The hands that these have seen. Oh my god.
High five.
Anish Kapoor, he's currently banned from using one of color pink. Yeah, the artist community was like, no pink for you.
Wow. Lit. It's so trippy in here. But it's cute. It's like life size. Reminds me of home.
I'm so Texan.
This is the thing that you said was free, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow. Chicago. Like anything to support it on the inside? Oh. This is like picking your fortune. Oh, wow. It feels like Vegas. Garlandsville. What happened to the second, third, and fourth?
Oh, I think they're just department stores because the first and second floor is Staples, and then there's probably more floors on top of that.
Oh, lit. That is like so weird though, to come to like a building, go on the 7th floor just to enter a restaurant. Heaven on 7th. This is so cool. It smells really good.
Hey, you want some more paper?
Ooh, yay.
The gumbo from when I used to dorm here, I would always order gumbo to go.
This is a lot. So this is the angry fried chicken po' boy. Angry. Mississippi fried pickles, Nashville style. And then beer batter fries. And the cheese is like called something too, like Munster. What is that?
It's just a type of cheese, so like brie cheese.
I've never heard of it. This is A+. Love it. So hot.
Oh, be careful, it's steamy.
I know.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Wow, it's still so hot. They're gonna have a pop-up store too?
Oh, so this is the Netherlander Theater, but literally a couple months ago, it was the Oriental Theater.
Oh, so that's a new sign.
Yeah, the whole circular windows up there, that's where our studios are.
Lit. Whoa!
Free ballet is on top of this.
Let's head here for a second.
At least it's warm in here.
Ooh, it's a fancy Walgreens. They got an escalator.
Exactly.
This one's the fancy Walgreens. Whoa! Collective. Whoa! What for? They should be like on sale.
No, because like, oh, I was thinking, oh, they might change the prices every once in a while, but
Okay.
no, they have them in there too.
Oh.
So it makes no sense.
How cool! It's so messy in here. This is actually very interesting, but there's no point. Oh, they have it for ice cream too. Whoa, those are big.
Oh, hey.
Oh, wait. Tourist with my big camera lens.
Literally.
I was like, okay, should I turn left? Should I turn right? What? That is so funny. That's so cool. Happy Mother's Day. Happy birthday. I mean, happy birthday. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, I thought it would be automatic too.
Steel will be here October 2nd.
Wow, this is so glittery. We should take pictures like far away though. You can't see the rest of it.
The best way to take a picture is actually in front of across the street.
Okay.
So yeah. Oh, I don't think they're open.
Feels very Vegas-y.
Oh yeah, it's not open.
Oh. Look at that big sign. What is that sign for? It's a curvy sign.
It's ABC7 News.
Wow. Kim Kardashian and Kanye West welcome a baby. Did you say what's there?
Corn cob towers.
Oh, it really does look like a corn cob tower.
Yeah, it's just residential.
Oh, a Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
Yeah. A city Chick-fil-A. Wonderful.
Right there.
The sign is so interesting.
Oh wow. I didn't know
It's like, yeah, it's like curved. Is that a new Uniqlo? No, it's not. You guys have a Uniqlo?
Yeah. Do you want to go to it? It's on Michigan Avenue. Are you close?
It's just like a clothing store, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it have stationery there?
Uniqlo?
Yeah.
No.
Wow. Fantastic.
Yeah.
I keep saying fantastic all the time. Wow, that's actually really cool. Look at that. We finally made it. A lot of things going on. But oh my gosh, that's so cool that the cars are literally just parked
Right.
at the bottom. It's huge. It's so elaborate too. The systems that they have put in place around here.
Yeah.
All
like
the paths.
this city. Have you heard about the Chicago fire? Where like everything burned down in like the 1800s. So everything burned down so that they were able to rebuild the entire city to whatever they wanted.
Vietnam War.
Oh,
Interesting.
There was a fire. And then they usually have like tours going up and down, which is really cool. Like I love the architecture for it.
Oh, I thought she said $1. I was like, $1? Yeah.
Wait, what was it? $2 fish foot massage?
Oh my god.
It's not the bean.
Oh, what is that? What's, oh my god.
Oh, that one was bad. I am impartial to Steak and Shake. Have you guys ever been to Steak and Shake?
Yes, we have Steak and Shake.
Yeah. I didn't know if it was like a Midwest thing.
Yeah, we find after like meeting up with each other that there are a lot of things like, oh, your state has it, but my state doesn't. Like In-N-Out or like I think Jack in the Box somewhere doesn't have it.
Yeah, we
New
don't have
Jersey?
that.
Jack in the Box? You're on Jack in the Box?
Yeah.
Oh. There's like a big buff like mannequin for that Under Armour. Unrealistic standards for men.
You're gonna be Hulk.
Wow, that Burberry is very tall. The whole building is Burberry. Look at that. Game of Thrones? Your land, what is this? What is it, a pop-up store? I'm very confused. Wow, we're finding all kinds of things here. Whoa. Worn by Kit Harington. He's so famous though.
Wait, is it really?
Well, it says so on the bottom.
No way.
She's like literally so happy.
Oh my god, yeah, this is my favorite.
This is your
TV
pop-up
show.
store.
Yeah, this is my pop-up store. Oh, is this Sansa's outfit?
Yes, you got it right.
This is a few seasons ago.
Is that a zombie?
Yeah, it's a zombie. And, oh my god, this is my girl. This is...
Oh.
Dang, I never noticed it was blue.
Fake fan. Why her fingers look like that? Oh, those are gloves.
That's Arya.
Is she the shortest person? Oh my gosh, I'm her height then.
Yeah, sure.
I must, oh.
That's Jamie's. This is Ned's. Wow, that is a lot bigger than I thought. Oh my goodness. Night King who controls all the zombies. Yeah.
I drink and I know things. This is pretty.
What? I don't want
Gryffindor. Calculate your ultimate binge schedule. Calculate. Wow. It makes a schedule for me.
Wait, what?
To when to watch all of like everything.
Oh.
We've got what you've been missing.
So cute. Oh my god, Gentry. Cute. Love you.
What is she looking at? Choose a category. Oh, is this like sorting houses?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. No, it's not.
Oh no, predict the end or vote for your favorites.
Predict the ends. Oh. Look, they even have pillars and stuff too. This is amazing though. For just for a show, a season where it was the last season.
Yeah, the season
So,
finale.
second, they should have done this for Jane the Virgin. I like looking at movie stuff, like props.
Oh, okay.
So I think that's why I'm like,
I did not know that.
yes, ma'am. Ooh, yes. Next. Ooh.
Okay,
Ooh. I don't know if this is pointing at you, but probably.
Oh my god, cute.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Do you want
My
it?
legs, my short legs. Disney. Shake Shack, the weird thing is with their sandwiches, it's connected on the bread is connected on one end.
We're too high.
Okay.
야, 우리가 뭐, 아니, 뭐 무대를 하고 있다니. 형님 여기 온 게 영광.
Ooh. Lit. Oh my god, I'm gonna spend so much stuff here. This is bigger than ours in Dallas.
Oh god.
I've never seen Dumbo.
The movie? Actually, I remember seeing it, but I don't really remember.
Yeah, I don't remember anything that happens in
I
it.
had the BTS.
I
got so excited.
Are you going to the concert?
I am.
Ooh.
I have all my gear already ready.
Oh. Are you from around here?
Georgia.
Georgia, we're from Texas.
Really?
Well, she's from Chicago.
Okay.
Yeah, we hired a tour guide. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Ooh. They have a genie lamp, limited edition. Wow. Limited edition, bro.
Let's do single ride. And it's like $3.
Okay. Oh. Touch right here. Oh. Okay. Hold on. This is so cool. I've never been in subway before.
Doors closing.